See seventh problem. Find the remainder when f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 is divided by g of x is equal to x minus 2 and verify the result by long division. See here, find the remainder when f of x is divided by g of x is equal to x minus 2. We have to find the remainder with the help of the remainder theorem. So first of all take f of x and g of x. So given f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 is divided by g of x is equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Then by remainder theorem, what is the remainder theorem? F of x is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a. The remainder is f of 2. Same like that, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then the remainder is f of 2. By remainder theorem, remainder is equal to f of 2. So substitute 2 in the place of x here. So f of 2 is equal to 2 power 4 minus 3 into 2 square plus 4. Simplify, this is equal to 2 power 4 is 16 minus 3 into 2 square is 4 plus 4. That is equal to 16 minus 12 plus 4. This is 16 minus 12 means this is 4. 4 plus 4 means this is equal to 8. Okay. Next. And verify the result by actual division. Already we got the remainder f of 2 is equal to 8. By using actual division, we have to prove that remainder also equal to 8. So do the long division method. Already before video we told that dividing polynomial by binomial, we have to use that procedure. See here we have f of x, that is the dividend. Dividend is equal to x power 4. But here x2 term is missing, so I will write this is 0 into x2. Next minus 3 into x square. Next x term is missing, so I will write 0 into x plus 4 is divided by g of x, that means divided is equal to x minus 2. Coming for the steps here, first of all we have to divide this x power 4 divided with x. So I will write the steps here. What are the steps we are using? We have to write here. First one, we have to divide first term of the dividend with first term of the divisor, that is x power 4 by x. Cancel x one time, we should get x cube. So we have to write the x cube in the right hand side brackets. That same term we have to multiply with the total divisor, that is x minus 2. So multiply x cube with x minus 2. So this is equal to x cube into x minus 2 means this is x power 4 minus 2x cube. So we have to write x power 4 minus 2x cube here. X power 4 minus 2x cube. Next we have to change the signs here. Plus x power 4 becomes minus x power 4, minus 2x cube becomes plus 2x cube. So plus x power 4 and minus x power 4 gets cancelled. Remaining this is 2x cube. Remaining we have to take the next term, that is minus 3x square. Again follow the same procedure, that is the first term of the dividend is divided with the first term of the divisor, that is 2x cube. Divide with the 2x cube. Divide with x, that is cancel on x and x, remaining is 2x square. We have to write 2x square here plus 2x square. Next again multiply 2x square with total x minus 2, that is 2x square into x minus 2. So this is equal to 2x cube minus, multiply this one 2 into 2x square, that is 4x square. We have to write 2x cube minus 4x square here, change the symbols. So plus 2x cube and minus 2x cube gets cancelled. Next 4x square minus 3x square, this is x square. Take the next digit, that is 0 into x. Again divide x square with x here. x square divided by x, cancel 1 and x. X and x cancel, remaining should get x, write the x in the right hand side brackets. Next multiply this x with total x minus 2, that is x into x minus 2. So multiply x with x, that is x square. Next I multiply x with 2, that is 2x. So write x square minus 2x here, x square minus 2x. Next change the symbols, again minus plus x square and minus x square cancel, remaining is 2x. We have to take the next digit, that is 2x plus 4. Again first term of the dividend we have to divide with the first term of the divisor, that is 2x divided by x here, cancel x and x, remaining 2 is there. 2 we have to write in right hand side brackets. So multiply 2 with x minus 2, that is 2x minus 4. So write x 2x minus 4 here. Next again change the signs here, plus 2x becomes minus 2x and minus 4 becomes plus 4. Cancel plus 2x and minus 2x. Remaining 4 plus 4 means this is 8. So the remainder is equal to 8. But already by using the remainder theorem we got f of 2 is equal to 8. This is the remainder. Here also by actual division also we are getting the remainder is 8. Therefore remainder is equal to 8 is verified. Remainder is equal to 8 is verified. So in the two cases we got the same remainder, that is 8.